Greetings to everyone. We are from Manavishra International School, Gurugram. I am Jishan Goyal.
I am Arjun Chandra.
I am Swayan Bharwaj.
And this is our project named Smart Home.
A smart home refers to the convenient home sector where appliances and devices can be automatically controlled using different sensor and electronic components.
Now we will show you the demonstration of our project.
So, as soon as rain comes, the shed comes up, the rod goes in and the LED glows. As soon as rain stops, the shed goes down, the rod goes out and the LED stops glowing.
The functions of a smart home are to use a rain detector to sense rain. So we have also used a rain detector when there would be a rain. The rain detector would sense and then the shed would open and then the clothes which are drying on the road will rotate automatically at 180 degrees and goes under the shed so as to protect our clothes from getting wet. So this is important in monsoon and winter seasons. This can be important for the people living in the areas like Meghalaya, where rainy seasons are almost throughout the year. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the collection of water rather than allowing it to flow off. And it is collected in a tank where automatic water level indicator is connected. So it will save water and it will maintain the cleanliness around the house.
Now I am going to tell you the material used in this project. First, we have used this raindrop sensor pad, and we have also used a 5-volt raindrop sensor module, a Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, jumper wires and 3 servo motors. Now I will tell you the implementation of this project. We have connected the raindrop sensor pad to the 5-volt module. The module's negative is connected to the ground of Arduino, the positive is connected to the VCC of Arduino, and the output pin is connected to pin D4 on Arduino, and we have connected the servos accordingly.
Now we will tell our roles. I was a material manager. I collected all the materials that were required to make this project.
I was a coder and tester. I coded this project using Arduino IDE and tested the following.
I was the head architecture. I surveyed about this object and I discussed it with my team and I got a solution.
In conclusion, by introducing this project to every home, we can improve the standard of living and the quality of life of people by implementing this in our homes. And the future scope for this project is that we can add smoke detector, earthquake detectors, LDR sensors, and home securities and electricity conservation.
Thank you.